The strange call started last Tuesday, always from an unknown number. I'd let it ring, but it would always answer itself on the fourth ring. At first, there was just silence. Then, a few days ago, I heard breathing. Slow, ragged breaths like someone was struggling. Last night, I got another call. It answered. The breathing was there. But this time, it sounded closer, more labored. I froze, listening. Then a soft whisper, right in my ear. "I'm here." I dropped my phone. The breathing didn't stop.